I was participating in one event in a school. At that time also I felt very bad. And later on also the cultures I found discriminatory. That's why I'm just questioning myself why all these things for a daughter. And later on, after I complete the school education, I got opportunity to work with women in my own town, helping them to literate. I conduct the literacy class. At that time also I found more knowledge about the woman's situation beyond my house, my relatives. Also I worked with the young women who rescued in the Bombay brothels. So I directly work with them. When I work with them, so I changed my perception towards the trafficking issue. In Nepal, very diverse society in terms of religion, in terms of culture, in terms of language, and there is a caste and ethnicity system. Especially the women from different ethnic groups, comparatively the women are empowered. They have a more say and strong in the family and society, and less strict traditional restriction. For example, remarriage, second marriage, or after the widow marriage, all those things more easily accepted in that ethnic groups. But in the caste group, which is more depend on the Hindu religion, they are more conservative, and they are more are being in the not matriarchal, is more patriarchal system, we can see. So it's a very dependent on the caste and ethnicity groups. Within the caste system, based on the Hindu religion, there is a Brahmin, Kshatriya, Shudras, and Vaishyas. So Shudras means the very bottom level caste. They're supposed to serve support the service oriented lower level work, and they are not allowed to go inside other caste people's house, and those other caste people's people, they don't eat, even drink water. If the women have monthly period, and this is different in the caste by caste, but especially in the western part of Nepal, west, mid-west and the far west, we have 5 regions. So eastern part, central region, western, mid-western and far western. The morely far western and mid-western, that practices exist, which is called chhaupadi. Chhaupadi is during the menstruation time and during the time of giving birth. The pregnant woman, they supposed to keep in the cow shed, out of the house. That is one is the risky in the sense in the village, nearby the forest or the far from the house, risk from the wild animals. Sometimes a woman killed by the snake biting, those type of things also happen. If we talk about the woman's right, is one is if we say generally the education, still there is a discrimination in the education sector. Now the children, now the enrollment is somehow nearly 100 in the school, but the issue of the dropout is again there. Another is the violence against women. There is a trafficking issue throughout the country. Previously we used to say the trafficking issue the specific district and specific to the country like India. Now this spread. Another we have a problem is the witchcraft, especially the poor, a single woman, widow woman are targeted as a witch. The witchcraft means the belief is if that woman saw something, and some people will become sick or die because of that lady, and there is the society, they mistreat us. Even sometimes they are forced to eat fish as well. At that stage goes. So we have one good example, the marital rape, because people don't talk about that. Even that decision made by the Supreme Court, people were loved. good initiatives we have. For example, we have a separate ministry for women, children and social welfare. Still we have a question why the children and this social welfare attached to the women, why not independent, the ministry for women, this issue is there. We have a national women commission separately. But the issue is how much they are strong, effective, or they have that capacity, the authority given by the government. Because, for example, Women's Commission, we women activists or all the women activists demanding the independent commission. But now this is still under the ministry. There is some international commitment made by government, which is quite good, and trying to take in some positive initiatives. So, for example, Gender Equality Council, and also the additional fund in the local election. What I heard from the here, that is quite good. And but I don't know how much this effective in the sense responsible people are how much aware about this gender equality.